So this is pretty much what you need to make my signature drink. I'm pretty sure it already exists, but I've never seen nobody doing it, so that's why I call it my signature drink. I don't have a name for it yet, but if you guys have suggestions, then you can share with me in the comment section. So what you really need during the month of Ramadan, actually all the time, is electrolytes. Now, if you can find coconut water in your area, so non-GMO coconut water and with no sugar added, then it's perfect. You can use that instead of the electrolyte powder. So the thing with the month of Ramadan is we really don't have a big window to hydrate ourselves, and it is really crucial to hydrate ourselves because our body is detoxifying throughout the whole day. So water really helps that. So electrolyte is basically a combination of different minerals. It does have some vitamins. So this one, for example, has vitamin C. It has calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, chromium, chloride. It also has potassium. So where's my list of ingredients? Yes, so it has potassium and other minerals. So it has 400 grams of potassium. This doesn't have any carbs and no sugar added. So it's really good. It does taste sweet because I believe they used sugar alcohol or stevia to make it sweet, but it's really amazing. And this is the 3 main ingredients that I use right now. So I add a little bit of mint. Mint is really powerful antioxidant. It helps with the skin. It helps with the blood circulation in your body. I also add a small little piece of ginger. Now ginger is pretty strong, so if you can really handle it, then you can just omit this, so you can just remove this. Or if you're drinking also tea with ginger, I would suggest to also avoid this because you're already drinking this in your tea. And of course, a whole half of a lemon. You can also add cucumbers to make it more fresh. You can really go wild, but this is the basic ingredients that I use with the electrolyte powder. Now, if you want to go fancy like me, you can use Perrier water or carbonated water, natural mineral water. So it's added minerals, which is amazing. You know, your body doesn't retain minerals. It's water soluble. So as soon as you drink this, your body will utilize it and then it's going to leave your body. So don't be afraid of using a lot of minerals. So that's what I add into my water if I want to have like that, you know, soda taste. And also, if you're obsessed with Coca-Cola or soda or whatever, this drink is also a good combination and it gives you a lot of health benefits. Or of course, you can just use, you know, regular water. So I'm going to show you now how I mix it. So this is my drink. You see how big it is and it tastes amazing. It tastes so fresh. That's the amazing thing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, recommendations, don't forget to leave me a comment, and bye guys.